Hey everybody, so today I want to address a burning issue. It is quite literally the burning marks at the bottom of the material that I'm trying to cut. I've had quite a few suggestions in the comments section and did a bit of research. Turns out I need a laser bed. I looked around online and a few local shops, but didn't really want to wait 6 weeks or even more these days. So what I'm going to do is make a few prototypes over the next few weeks and see what works. For the first one, I'm just going to make a generic grid pattern out of this thin aluminum sheet. And while we're on the laser bed theme, I thought it would be good to have a more detailed graphic to test out. So obviously it will have to be sharks with lasers. So disclaimer, I am no shark expert or an artist, but if I was a shark with a laser, I would want to look like this. Next, I wanted to just set a baseline, and as expected, the burn marks. I have to also move the laser head up in order for it to focus. The fan's going to be a problem. Fixed. Wow, nice. This is way better. Just checking if there are any marks on the grill, but it seems good. I wanted to also just try out to put a piece of paper underneath the whole thing to see if any of the laser burning makes it all the way to the wasteboard. So no, it doesn't burn through at all. As you can see, it's actually quite a big difference. Okay, let's try a few other materials. This one is just a piece of cardboard box. The top one is without the bed and the bottom one is with the bed. Now trying out some balsa wood, and there's quite a bit of burning in the back with this one. Ooh, wow, look how clean cut that is. Okay, and let's try some acrylic. And again in this one the top is without the laser bead and the bottom is with the laser bead.
Highly sedated, intoxicated, we're automated and overpopulated. Don't you know we're the walking dead, dead. Our lives were meant to be this bleak.
I must say I'm really impressed with the level of detail I can get out of this thing now. I have a few more ideas I want to try out over the next couple of weeks or so, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.